The farmer moves along the boundary of a square field. The shape is important. Please underline such things. Of side 10 meters in 40 seconds. What will be the magnitude of displacement of the farmer at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds from his initial position? So first thing is, let's draw a diagram. It helps us understand and visualize things properly. So first thing is, we need a square. What is the length of the side of the square? Yes, it is 10 meters. What is the property of a square? All the sides are equal. So all the sides are of length 10 meters. And the person is able to cover a length of 10 meters in 40 seconds. Okay, so the question is, find the displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds. So let's look into the working. So we have 2 minutes 20 seconds. So what is the very first thing we should do? We need to express in terms of seconds. So this will be 2 into 60 plus 20, that is 140 seconds. So this is nothing but 120 plus 20 seconds. It's of this combination. It is 120 plus 20 seconds. Why will this help? I'll show it to you guys. Now, let's talk about how much the person would have covered in 120 plus 20 seconds. That's the question, right? This is 40, and next side he'll take 40 more seconds. So this is 80 seconds done. The next side 40 more, 120 seconds done. And next 20, the person will be along the length AD. Where along the length we'll have to calculate, but at least we understood that every 40 seconds he covers a side, and so 120 seconds is able to cover 3 sides. So let's make that statement. As the farmer is able to cover 10 meter in not 20, 40 seconds, that is one side in every 40 second, he is able to cover 3 sides in 120 second. Okay, and now, right, so he'll end up with the fourth side. So next is remaining 140 minus 20, that is 20 second. Where will he be? Where will he or she be? That's the question. The time here is in seconds and the distance covered is in meters. So he'll use the idea of proportionality. For a time of 40 seconds, the person is able to cover 10 meters. For a time of 20 seconds, the person is able to cover x meters. So x is equal to 10 into 20 by 40, and that will be equal to 5 meters. So the person is able to cover 5 meters. So if the person is able to cover from D a distance of 5 meters, what will be the displacement? The displacement would be this, the remaining path, A to say P. So how much is AP? So you can tell thus the farmer is 10 minus 5 meters away from the start. And so displacement is equal to 10 minus 5, that is 5 meters. Okay, so all this writing is for you guys to understand better. If it's an MCQ question, so learn the trick how to solve it. So start with how many seconds he's able to cover a side in. So keep adding till you get to a nearby answer of whatever the time they're given. And the remaining one you use proportionality. So using proportionality, you'll be able to cover the remaining distance. Right, you will be able to find the remaining distance of travel. Again, remember, and then you have to figure out where exactly the person is from the start. So this is our start. Okay, not a long procedure once you get to understand the concept. It's quite simple. It's the way of thinking. It has to be systematic. So with that, you will be able to find the answer. Right, so you can pause and have a look at the answer.